The news in detail. Meghalaya Health Minister James P.K. Sangma today inaugurated the cancer wing of Civil Hospital Shillong in the presence of Principal Secretary Sampath Kumar and other officials of the Health Department. Speaking at the occasion, Sangma expresses his gratitude to all the officials and the doctors who have worked hard to meet the challenges of the people of the state. He also expressed his happiness that they have completed this cancer wing even though it has taken a long time to complete it. It may be mentioned that the cancer wing was sanctioned in the year 2008 and it took 14 years to fully complete and inaugurate it.
The work towards taking care, the treatments, prevention, diagnostics, post-treatment care, all these have been going on without the establishment of this specific cancer wing. And our doctors have been working so hard, and today we see that the results of that in our young friend Marchwell and also our friend Bakharmujai and countless other cancer survivors who have been treated by our doctors here.